An officer in Kakamega County allegedly killed his 23-year-old daughter and 41-year-old wife before killing himself. The two died at the Western Provincial General Hospital while undergoing treatment. According to Kakamega Police Chief Charles Kinyua, the deceased officer shot his daughter 5 times in the chest and his wife 9 times in the abdomen before shooting himself. The officer had signed a gun from the armory at the station to guard a KCSE examination center and returned to his house where he is reported to have picked a quarrel with his wife before killing his family.
He went back to the house in the police line as if he has forgotten something. But when he entered the house, he started shooting.
The deceased officer had on several occasions complained of a sergeant whom he accused of always assigning him difficult tasks where others are unwilling to serve. His late wife told his colleagues that her husband was depressed that the sergeant collects money from officers so as to assign those light duties, but he declined to give the bribe. Investigations have been launched to establish the cause of the incident. For News at 8, I'm Rhoda Odhiambo.